Hi, welcome to B.com. This tutorial is teaching you about how to make a water ripple. First, we click on File, New. Add here, type your file name. Width we set as 500, height we set as 400, and then we click OK. And press Shift D to reset the background color. And now we go to Filter, Render Clouds, and the clouds will come out. And next we go to Filter, Radial Blur, Radial Blur. Set the amount as 40. Method we set as spin, quality we set as best, so we click OK. Now we go to Filter, Sketch, Bas Relief, and set the detail as 13, smoothness set as 10, and then we click OK. And now we go to Filter again, Sketch, Chrome. Detail we set as 6, smoothness we set as 2, and then we click OK. And we need to add some color to make the water ripple more beautiful, so we go to Image, Adjustment, Hue or Saturation. Click on Colorize. Hue we set as 205, and the saturation set as 25, lightness we set as 0, and then we click OK. And this is the final result that I have done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it can help you. Bye.